Hello, here I am. This is my accelerometer, and this is my calibration button. This is my teensy. So here's the green wire, that's the X pin, yellow Y, Y to Z, going to analog 3, 4, and 6, because analog pin 5 screwed up for some reason. Here's my code. Alright, I'm going to scroll up to the top. Alright, see 3, 4, and 6. Alright. I noticed that when I plugged in, when I went to Tools, and I would select USB type, and I clicked Serial, these numbers work best, but when I clicked MIDI, apparently these numbers work best for calibrating. I would take my analog pin read, and I would subtract by these numbers right here, and then it essentially sets whatever analog pin is reading and sets it equal to 0, and then it'll restart from there and have that be the starting point. And that's sort of helpful because I can adjust my grip and position on my hand to where it's comfortable to me, where I can be turning the accelerometer any way I like to sort of match these different readings right here. And whenever it reaches certain points like this, less than -100, and in between where it is zeroed, and then less than -100 again for pin Z, then it'll set a MIDI on, or excuse me, MIDI note on, and then an else if statement where it's going to be MIDI note off. And I had trouble with that today. Apparently I'm going to have to do different states where it will basically take the first MIDI note on and then delay it, so then the next time it reaches below that threshold, it will do note off at least one, or probably just once. Anyway, here I go with hitting the serial monitor. Doop. Alright, and so here are my readings. I'm going to press my calibration button, and then you can see that, hey, now it's basically set to 0. Right around 0, and now I'm moving my accelerometer. Turning my accelerometer. And that neither is coming up because when I was having some trouble today in the second lab, figuring out why I was not getting note on sent, I made an else statement where I said serial print neither to see whether it was note on or note off. This is what I have so far.